Hello, kids. Welcome back to Niku Kids channel. Welcome to the jungle safari. Let's explore the wild together. Get ready for an exciting adventure through the jungle, where we'll discover some amazing wild animals. Hold on tight as we begin our journey. Look over there. A family of elephants is enjoying a drink by the waterhole. See how the adults use their trunks, while the baby elephant plays in the splashes. What a sight. Quiet now. There's a tiger nearby. Notice how it moves so silently through the grass, blending in with its surroundings. It's one of the jungle's most powerful predators. Look up high. A group of playful monkeys is swinging from the trees, jumping and playing together. They move so quickly and smoothly. It's like they're having their own little party out there. Now, let's stop for a moment and look around. Do you see those tall giraffes? They use their long necks to reach the highest leaves. Here's a special sight. A group of hippos is resting in the water. These giant animals love to stay cool by floating in the water all day. Look at that one yawning. What a big mouth. Even though they look calm, hippos are very strong swimmers. Let's watch as they slowly sink under the water and disappear. Wow! Look at those beautiful zebras. Their black and white stripes make them stand out in the grassland. Did you know that no two zebras have the same pattern? Each one is unique just like you. Watch as they graze peacefully and flick their tails to keep the flies away. We're crossing a river now. Keep your eyes peeled. There's a crocodile beneath the water, lurking silently. It moves so smoothly, you can barely see it. Let's make sure to keep our distance. The sun is beginning to set, and the jungle is growing quieter. It's time to head back, but what an incredible journey we've had. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable jungle safari. See you next time.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting and fun videos.